All right, I got a little issue. Right here, there's some kind of a, I don't know, it's a glob of something. See it? Yeah, we get it. Take a razor blade. Get it out of there. Now I'm still at raw die. So here's what I'm gonna do. I got my gun, I'm gonna turn this, and I had, this got a little dark in here, so I just kind of took a little, scuffed it off a little bit. Now I'm gonna turn this thing down about like an airbrush. Very, very little fluid. Drying it. That little spot on that edge right there. Didn't want to take the dye. I don't know what's wrong. Kind of hard to show this to you guys. I'm doing that back tape thing. You're going to see this in the airbrush segment. Got it. Now I'm a little bit dark on either side. Now I'm gonna do something you're gonna think nuts. This is a stain pad. Kind of wet with water. Remember we talked about that alcohol and water thing? Now I want to check my color. Pretty close. Now I can take this damp cloth, this damp sponge, and I can pull dye off if I need. It's also kind of showing, now this dye is dried pretty good. Now down here, again, this is just, well, you can see how wet it is. See, now again, it's got blotch control on it, so I let it dry good. I don't want to get gooey, sticky. Being the dye, if I pull off too much, which I think I might have done right here, and even though this is alcohol, I can come right back on it. I don't know what this is. I'm just gently kind of working it around. Now, I got a little problem here too. All of my drawers are natural on the inside, and what I'm about to do, I don't want to get a bunch of dye in there. All right, I'm gonna take these, we'll be right back. All right, what I've done, I got my drawers stuck in here. And like I said, I want to tape around here, because what I'm gonna do is basically, I'm just gonna make sure everything blends together and I got the right color. So what I've done, I've got my gun, I've opened the fluid up, opened the fan up, and up the pressure. Now I want to mention, I don't want to get these drawers out so far that it doesn't go in there, but you'll, in between, but you'll see. Excuse me, I really should have a mask on, but if you look, and it's really, I'm looking at the monitor here, this end looks darker, but that's just a shadow in the filming. But actually, when I'm getting back looking at it, it all looks the same color. Doesn't have any pizzazz to it because it's just a dye, but I have the color that I need. So now we'll let that dry, then we'll come back and start finishing.